Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best ductless air conditioners available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Senville Lito Series Mini Split Air Conditioner. With its ability to heat as well as cool, a sleek design, and ultra-quiet operation, this ductless air conditioner is one of the best all-around units on the market. It boasts 24,000 BTUs, which allows it to heat or cool an area up to 1,500 square feet. It's also one of the quieter models on the market. When operating in its whisper quiet mode, it produces just 32 decibels, which is about the same level as a whisper. The unit operates via a remote control that includes multiple settings. A timer allows the user to set a shut-off time. The sleep mode slowly increases the room temperature through the night. Other settings include a turbo setting that runs the system at full power to quickly cool off the room. It features a sleek all-white design and measures 40 inches long, 13 inches high, and 9 inches deep. Reasons to buy. Can heat, cool, dehumidify, and ventilate. 24,000 BTUs, conditions between 1,250 and 1,500 square feet. Very quiet at only 32 decibels. Remote control with timer, sleep mode, and turbo setting. Reasons to avoid. Additional clamps, straps, and electrical supplies required for installation. Not intended for DIY. Number 2. MERKEL DIY 24K BTU 20 SEER Ductless Heat Pump Split System. This model's smart technology and easy installation make it an ideal addition to a smart home. This ductless air conditioner includes a Wi-Fi smart kit that allows the user to control this system from any location via a smart device or a virtual assistant such as Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. This functionality enables the user to control the system from virtually anywhere, making it convenient for setting the temperature to warm or cool a space so it's ready for use upon arrival. In addition to being controllable via smart technology, this system is also easier to install. While many ductless air conditioners require professional installation, this model can be installed without any specialty tools or training, making this an ideal option for those who want to save on installation costs. With its 24,000 BTU output, this model can heat or cool a space up to 1,000 square feet. The inside unit measures 42 inches long, 13 inches high, and 9 inches deep. Reasons to buy. Simple DIY installation. Smart HVAC app works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Smart system notifies user when coolant needs to be replaced. Variable speed fan reduces energy costs. Reasons to avoid. Must be hardwired, not plugged in. 25-foot sealed line cannot be cut. Number 3. Cooper & Hunter 9000 BTU, 115V, 19 SEER Ductless Mini Split AC/Heating System. Cooling a smaller space, such as a bedroom or den, doesn't require a system with a high BTU output. This smaller model, with its 9,000 BTUs, is enough to handle up to 400 square feet. And at 30 inches wide, it's also one of the more streamlined ductless mini splits. In addition to a remote control, this Wi-Fi ready model can be controlled via a smart device. It also includes most of the same features as larger units, including a turbo mode for fast heating or cooling, a sleep mode, and a 24-hour timer. Horizontal louvers allow the user to direct airflow. This air conditioner also features several helpful auto maintenance features, including an auto clean option that prevents mildew from forming inside the unit and an auto reset for power outages. Reasons to buy. 9,000 BTU size, perfect for bedrooms and porches. Interior unit fits in smaller spaces. Includes remote control and Wi-Fi connectivity. Horizontal louvers direct airflow. Reasons to avoid. Heat works only when outdoor temp is 5 degrees Fahrenheit or above. Number 4. Della 12,000 BTU Wi-Fi enabled mini split air conditioner. Quiet operation, ample coverage for its size, and some impressive user features make this unit from Della an excellent option for those looking to cool a room or garage on a budget. Despite its comparatively low price, this model still packs a punch with its 12,000 BTU output, which is enough to cover 750 square feet. A remote control allows the user to adjust the temperature settings and features a wide range of modes, including sleep, energy saving, and follow me, as well as a 24-hour timer. This air conditioner is also quiet, with a range of 31 to 40 decibels depending on how hard the air conditioner is working. At 30 inches long, 10 inches high, and 6.5 inches deep, this model's interior unit is also one of the more compact models on the market. Reasons to buy. Available in a range of BTUs and 2 voltages. Inverter technology is very energy efficient. Pre-charged for pushing air up to 25 feet high. Built-in dehumidifier and ventilation-only settings. Reasons to avoid. 220/240 volt plug may require converter. Interior unit must be placed on an exterior wall. Number 5. Dakin 18,000 BTU 17 SEER wall-mounted ductless mini-split AC heat pump system. A ductless AC system is often a good option for heating or cooling a garage or basement that isn't part of a home's HVAC system. With an 18,000 BTU output that allows it to service up to 1,000 square feet, this model from Dakin is ideal for cooling down or warming up those spaces, making them more inviting on hot or cold days. Dakin's ductless air conditioner comes equipped with helpful mode options, including a power mode that quickly cools or heats a space, ideal for areas that only need to be climate controlled when in use, an auto shutoff timer, power saver setting, and quiet mode that allows it to operate at noise levels as low as 37 decibels. The air conditioner's indoor unit features a sleek white design and measures 48 inches long and 14 inches high. Reasons to buy. Can be used in outbuildings, basements, and attics. Indoor unit features quiet operation setting. Power mode heats or cools a space quickly at startup. Ventilation setting improves airflow in cramped spaces. Reasons to avoid. DIY installation specifically discouraged. Pass-through wire harness may not fit existing electrical connection.